Psalm 18 is like the original, it's like an original war movie, because we know Jesus is the first and the last. He's the beginning and the end, and he's the same yesterday, today, and forever, and he's ultimately in charge. Yeah, Psalm 18:6. In my distress I called upon the Lord. To my God I cried for help. From his temple he heard my voice, and my cry to him reached his ears. Here we go. Then the earth reeled and rocked. The foundations also of the mountains trembled and quaked because he was angry. Smoke went up from his nostrils and devouring fire from his mouth. Glowing coals flamed forth before him. He bowed the heavens and came down. Thick darkness was under his feet. He rode on the cherubim and flew. He came swiftly on the wings of the wind. He made darkness his covering, his canopy around him. Thick clouds, dark with water. Out of the brightness before him, hailstones and coals of fire broke through his clouds. The Lord also thundered in the heavens, and the Most High uttered his voice. Hailstones and coals of fire. Wow, and yikes. Yeah. Psalm 18, read Psalm 18, y'all. Yeah, be encouraged, be kind. Oh yeah, like and subscribe.